Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add a table to your documents on Google Docs. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So adding tables to your documents on Google Docs is so super simple, guys. As you can see, I added a table like that here to my document for demonstration purposes. Start by placing the cursor where you'd like to place your table. So let me go with that place or spot here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click on Insert here at the top and hover your mouse over table here from that drop-down menu. And here to the right, you will see a list of columns or combinations of columns and rows to apply to your table. So let us go, for example, with 4 or 3 to 3 columns, 3 rows. So click on it, and it's going to add the table to your document. Now, you may fill the cells of your table by typing in or by entering data and so on and so forth. And what you want to do also, guys, is right click on your table and decide whether you'd like, for instance, to delete rows, delete columns, delete the entire table, or insert more columns or rows like here. So insert row above, insert row below, insert column left, right, and so on and so forth, guys. So it's up to you. Just play around with these settings and create your own table here in Google Docs. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.